Many people are talking about ChatGPT development after it has been launched officially. People are aware of that ChatGPT is going to replace the human capital who are working in different institutions and different software companies all around the world. And people are very, they are very aware of the functionality artificial intelligence has made through developing expert system. We call it a ChatGPT. People are asking about what is my suggestion regarding ChatGPT and its future in upcoming our ecosystem of software industry. My experience about this is I don't think so that ChatGPT is going to replace the software engineering jobs, developers, programmers, and quality assurance engineers at all, because it's all about creativity, the people, decision making power, and solving real world challenges is very much complex and complicated for ChatGPT. That's going to be very real time challenge. uh, but we can use or we can see as an insight of as a support in IT, in software engineering industry for different programmers, but it is not going to replace the job. It is going to be as an assistant for those people who are working in different companies, that they work with front end development, they work with back end development, they are confused in some bugs, they're facing issue in regarding some testing phase. So ChatGPT is a very good friend, has a good assistant which can help us in debugging our codes at all. So my opinion is no, don't worry. ChatGPT is not going to replace the job for the software industry, but it is creating the more opportunities for the future that we can avail by using ChatGPT. Thank you so much.